Welcome, Jennifer.
Hi,
How you doing? You good?
I'm very well. How
You
you
ready?
guys?
All right. So
I'm ready.
take it away if you're ready.
Thank you. Wish I could have said goodbye. I would have said all I wanted to, maybe even cried for you. If I knew it would be the last time, I would have broke my heart in two, trying to find a place for you. Don't wanna feel another touch, don't wanna know another feeling, don't wanna find another place. No other names falling off my lips. Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger, or let my heart begin. Would even let the sunlight in. No, I'll never love again. When I first saw you, I never knew that I would fall. But my world keeps turning and turning on, and I'm not moving on. Don't wanna feel another touch, don't wanna find another feeling.
Talk to me.
Don't wanna hear another voice, would even let the sunlight in. No, I'll never love again. I don't wanna know this feeling unless it's you and me then. I don't wanna waste this moment. Ooh, yeah. And I don't wanna give somebody else the better part of me. Yeah, I would never want somebody else but you. Don't wanna feel another touch, I don't wanna hear another voice, Daddy. If it's not you, I don't wanna feel nobody else, 'cause I'll never love again.
Hold that note. Let's go. Oh, it's her birthday.
It's my birthday!
It's my birthday.
Yeah!
Happy birthday, Jennifer.
Happy birthday, man. Thank you for giving us a nice birthday gift. Huh?
Thank you.
That was sweet. Thank you.
Oh, it's her birthday. It's her birthday. Yeah. That's what they said.